What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the background noise. They're mowing their lawn and doing stuff like that. But anyway, I know I usually have some kind of episodes for you guys with stuff going on, but today all I really have to do is actually clean the car, and we have to clean a few of these cars also. So I'm gonna try to see what I can do. Y'all just gonna have to tag along with me for this episode. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so we are gonna crank this thing up and start washing. Let's get it. Turn the gas on, turn the choke on, and pull. Let's get it, let's get it. What is going on? Why did it cut off? Oh, I have the gas off, that's why. Alrighty guys, so before I even dry it, what I like to do is use some bug and tar remover as well as a clay bar, so I can clean any dirt that is remaining from this paint. But I highly doubt there is anything remaining because we just power washed the hell out of it. But let us do this anyway. So when you're using this clay bar, guys, you got to make sure that the surface is still wet. You can't do this dry. That's why I use the bug and tar remover right after washing it, and then I'll just give it one more power wash down just to make sure the paint stays nice and smooth. Guess there still is some dirt in this clay bar. So what you gotta do is definitely knead it, and use the clean side and wipe again. Get out all the imperfections in our paint. Make it look nice and good, clean. This definitely needs another paint job eventually. So we're gonna make sure this gets nice and clean. Yeah, you are.
You know he's gonna use that, right?
Yeah, he's gonna use it.
I am gonna use it. I'm using it. Ah! No. Damn. We're out of gas. Oh, this doesn't cut it. This doesn't cut it at all. Okay, so unfortunately the power washer died. I ran out of gas and I don't have time to go get gas because the sun is going down as we speak. So we're just gonna wash it off with the regular hose, which we basically did. And now we're gonna wipe it down and hopefully it gets clean. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that really quick episode. I'm not exactly sure where or what part did the microphone cut off on, so hopefully it got all my talking parts, but if it didn't, I'm just gonna let you know what happened. So basically the pressure washer died. We lost gasoline, we have no more gas, and I didn't feel like running to the gas station to get some because it's gonna get too dark and I wouldn't be able to finish this episode. So I ended up just using the regular hose after, but I did get a good power wash in, so that's all that matters. But basically here is the car in its final form of being cleaned. It's so clean. The inside is extremely dirty. So what we're gonna end up doing is tomorrow I'm gonna do a part 2 to this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to actually clean the interior to like a professional level with everything out of the car and so on and so forth. So tomorrow we're gonna have a big hefty day ahead of us when it comes to cleaning the interior of this. But a little backstory to this one, if you guys actually want to see something similar to what I did with the Avalanche for this one, I can do that for y'all. I think that would be a pretty cool thing, because this car actually has a lot of memories and stories behind it. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will make one the same way I did with the Avalanche. I think it's a pretty cool story that people should know. So anyway, with that being said, guys, I hope you definitely enjoyed this episode. I know it wasn't anything epic or crazy. It's just me cleaning my car, but hey, I got the rest of this year to make videos for y'all, so I might as well take you along with every journey that I have to do. So peace out, Corolla, and peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.